Welcome back to the channel, and today's video is going to be of how me and my brother start our tractor. So we're going to do it. Take your foot off. Too hard. So we're gonna try and do it again. Whoa! So to start it, we pull this here, and to start, you filming, and I'll try and start it. So I'm gonna try to start it. Again. Go ahead, mate. Stop. Right. That thing right here, that thing there would start spinning very fast, and this wee rope would start going like a machine in a chainsaw. Here, I'll try and start it. Go on now. Film it. Okay. Here's my shot. I'm gonna start. I'm not doing that anymore. My home. Got back far. Yes. Keep started. Wait, brother, you start it. I'm gonna be filming a bit there. So try it again, see what happens. Here's my shot.